Hello, hi, this is Rani Ahmed with you, and this is lesson 21 on how to program using Haskell programming language. And in this lesson, I'm going to talk about how to create our own custom modules. Okay, now the keyword here is import. Okay, and this one is the one that lets a code that's sitting in another file, okay, to be used from the main application file. Okay, so I have a file here called main.hs, which contains the main function. Okay, and of course from the main function the application starts running. Okay, and then I use the import just to include, if you want to say, the files that contain the functions that I can use them anytime I want. Okay, so this is our imported file, and our imported file has to start with a capital letter, okay, in its name, and in the module name, okay, it has to start also with a capital letter, same, and they have to be of the same name, okay, and the file has to be of the type HS, okay, extension .hs. So this line defines a module. Good. And this is a function called double, which doubles the input, okay, and it now belongs to imported. Okay, this is our module called imported. So inside the main function here, the main code, there is imported, is now imported. Okay, now what if I have them in a directory? Okay, so what will happen is you have to put the tree structure of the directory, okay, all with capital letters, okay, and if you want to import it, you have to swap the slash sign for the path of the directory, okay, in your system, with a dot, similar to what you do in Java. Okay, so and of course this is the last file that you want to import, which is the module.hs. Okay, so yep, so this is it. So we go here, and if we compile it, see, this is main.hs is now compiled, and imported.hs is now added to the main.hs code, and therefore I can get a standalone app called /main, okay, and it will give me 4 because I put double of 2. Okay, now what if I have two modules, and both modules have the same function name? Okay, each one contains a function of the same name, but each one has a different implementation. Okay, so how can I get rid of the ambiguity that I will get from importing two modules having the same function name? Okay, please just forget about this for a moment. Okay, this too. So what I would do is I write qualified. Okay, I intentionally just put them in the comments because I don't want to run them. Okay, they have no meaning here. So I put them qualified and qualified here. Okay, so this way I can get rid of the ambiguity. Okay, between the functions that belong to data.text and data.list, and if I will have to access them, I will have to put the full path of the function starting from the head of the tree of the module path, you know. So it will be, for example, if I want to use the map of data.text, okay, and a map of prelude, okay, so to get rid of the ambiguity, okay, I have to use the full path like this, data.text.maps, and then I can use the function itself. Okay, now what if I don't want to do this, and I want to remove the ambiguity, okay, by getting rid of the functions that are coming from data.text while keeping those from data.list, because qualified will remove everything, will say everything is undefined. Okay, for like both functions from both sides is not undefined. But when using hiding, okay, it will hide only the functions map and filter. Okay, and the functions, for example, that come from data.list, okay, will stay, or from prelude will stay. Okay, and will stay defined. This is what I mean. So this is how we discard some functions from the importing. Okay, now how can I just import the functions that I want? I don't want the rest of the class. Okay, just want one or two functions for the whole class. So what I do is just like this. I want only map and filter. I don't want anything else. So this is how I do it. Cool. I put map and filter between those parentheses, and they belong to data.text, and they are all exported from the imported function module, I mean, to the main.hs, and that's all. Okay, so this is our lesson for today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and click the ads, click the likes. Tell your people about the existence of this series. Okay, and thanks for watching.